Two-factor authentication not working on Charles Schwab Fix. You're trying to access your Charles Schwab account, but the two-factor authentication isn't working. Maybe the code isn't arriving, or it's being rejected over and over. The surprising truth is, most of these problems come down to a few simple technical issues that you can fix in minutes. Start by checking your device's clock. Two-factor authentication codes depend on precise timing. If your phone's time is even a few seconds off, the code won't match Schwab's system. Go to your phone settings, turn on set time automatically, and try entering the code again. If you're using text verification, check your signal and make sure your number hasn't been changed or deactivated. Text codes can be delayed if your phone blocks short code messages or if your network is temporarily unstable. You can also switch to an authentication app like Authy or Google Authenticator for a more reliable experience. If you use an authentication app and it's not working, confirm that it's synced with your current device. When you change phones, reinstalling the app doesn't automatically transfer your tokens. You need to relink it through Schwab's website under your security settings. Another easy step, try logging in through Schwab's desktop website instead of the mobile app. The app sometimes caches old security data, causing verification issues. If it works on the website, clear the app's data or reinstall it. Finally, if you're locked out completely, don't worry. Schwab's support team can verify your identity and reset your two-factor authentication securely. So, if your Charles Schwab two-factor authentication isn't working, don't stress. Sync your time, check your connection, and verify your linked authentication method. In just a few minutes, you'll regain secure access to your account and peace of mind knowing your investments are safe.